Happy Sunday, budget friends. Happy Sunday, budget friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with CassieJBudgets and Vlogs. I will link our shop as well as our freebies down below. Y'all, I've been very excited to be filming just slightly a bit more each week, with money being freed up to possibly be able to complete some savings challenges by the end of this month. And continue saving my long-term savings challenges. Amazing. It's been phenomenal. I actually brought some extra cash to the table today. We have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 142, 143. All right, so we have $143 today. And that's quite a bit of cash for me, which is amazing. Given the circumstances, I need to make sure that I'm spending my money wisely, but also saving it wisely. I was going to do a cash planning, and maybe I should. All right, I did grab my cash planning pad that I wanted to give away. And I am trying to find a pen to write with. I thought I was a little bit more organized. Apparently I'm not. All right, so my guess is today is March 8th. I'm not 100% certain. I'm recording this ahead of time because usually when I get paid, I like to go ahead and sit down and do my cash stuffing. It's just because that's to keep me on track. And I don't even remember how much money I said. I hate when I do this. $146. I want to put quite a bit of this to savings. Let me take that back. Not quite a bit, but I want to put a nice chunk of it to savings. Let's write out our categories. All right, so I wrote out my categories and then also savings. So mommy's getting $10. That's typically what I give myself. I thought about increasing it and maybe putting a little less to savings so I can get out there and do a little something. But I am saving my matcha savings challenges on Wednesdays, and that money's just for me to do whatever I want with it. So I'm just going to play it cool. Do I want to? Absolutely. But I'm not going to increase my mommy envelope. Gas getting $20. Last week I did $25, I think, and that worked out very well. But I do still have a little bit of gas, so I'm not going to really worry about it. Groceries getting $40. Household, like I mentioned before, I did receive a bunch of items in the mail, and so I'm just going to put $5 there. And pets, we're going to go ahead and do $10 for Mr. Fluffles. Kiddos, you know what, for my kiddos, I think this week we'll go ahead and give them $5 each, just because we can splurge a little. And then laundry, $10. I know that before I move, I'm going to have to wash everything and get everything squared away, everything situated. So I'll do whatever I can at this point to make sure everything's in order. So we have 10, 30, 75, 85, 95, 105. All right, so that leaves $31 for savings, which is fantastic. Yay! So our zero base budget, $146 is what we're working with. I'm just going to move this off to the side, and we will work on stuffing our envelopes. All right, so mommy is getting $10, and I don't think I have enough envelopes in this binder, but I am going to pull laundry, and that's going to go into my coin purse. One second, guys. My kiddos are watching a movie with their dad, and the TV's really loud. But anyway, I'm not certain how many envelopes I actually have in here, so we'll just go through and get what we need. So gas getting $20. Let's do 5. You know what? We'll do the 5s for groceries. How about that? So $20 for gas. And household, $5. Groceries, $40. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I am trying to keep together my SNAP benefits for the last week of March as much as I possibly can, because my kiddos have spring break coming up soon. So I want to make sure we have money for that. And then my kitty getting $10. And then my kiddos getting $10. So they'll each get $5. They're probably going to ask for it on Cash App. So I don't know how I'm going to manage that, but I'm just going to put, you know what, I'll separate it. I know what it's for, but just until I can give it to them, because I'm not going to carry around this big paper clip in my purse. I guess it will fit, but and then we have $10 for laundry, which these funds will actually go into my laundry coin purse, which I don't see. I think it's on my in my drop zone at my entrance at my door. So I'm not going to worry about it, but I know that that's what that's for. So that's my weekly expenses. Gone ahead and stuffed those. Now we can move on to savings. Savings. Let's start with sweets and treats, because we have some saving to do. I added in an extra $1 to take the dollars from before. We were working on, Lucky Charm. Okay, making a mess over here. And a Lucky Charm needed 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's $1. So $2. So we're just going to add $2 here. But I added in an extra $1. Let's just do it. All right, so we're adding in $2 here, and I think what we should do is add a little bit more. What do we have? Ooh, so we have $2. Do we have anything that's 13? Let's see. Well, how about we do this first? Lucky Charm, we saved $9 on 3/8. And let me just check really quickly and see if there's something that is $13 that we can complete today, or something close to it. Starry Nights is $13. Should I color this on camera? You know what? I don't think I will have you sit through me coloring it. I think what we'll do is come back to it. But Starry Nights is $13. We'll go ahead and complete that one. So we're going to put a total of, what was that? A total of $15. Started on 3/8, completed on 3/8. Yay! Okay. I set these savings challenges so they are so realistic, and I could see these small wins. I am trying to save this money a little bit more long term for my birthday, but the more that I am able to complete, the better off I will be for it. There are a couple of them that, this one is $100. I'm not certain if I'm going to be able to do that or not, but if I am, that would be amazing. And this one's $50, and then some of them are you know, $54, and that one's $54. So anyway, some of them may not be completed by my birthday, and that's okay. And some of them may just get a little love, and that's okay as well. We're going to add this $15. Very, very, very exciting. This savings challenge you can find down. This savings challenge you can find in our Etsy shop. And I did make adjustments online. You don't have to do that, of course. You can just use it however you see fit. We're adding $15 today. Should we do a quick little count up? We have 20, 40, 45, 50, 50. I have $55. I have $55 in my savings challenge. So that's already a nice little chunk of money going towards my birthday. Next up, I have my K-Bucks, my letter savings challenge, which you can find in our shop as well. Adding 1 K-Buck. Where's my marker? Here. So I won't count this up, but these Letterbuck savings challenges, like I said, you can find them down below. Each letter, you can save $50 if using the savings challenge. And we are coming up with another theme for these Letterbucks. So hopefully you'll see those very soon. But I'm very excited to have a K-Buck. That's been so rare for me. Very, very rare. All right, let's set these off to the side and we will get going with, what do we want to work on? Let's do our Save 226 in 2026. This savings challenge you can find also in our Etsy shop, or you can find it in a digital in my Ko-Fi. So if you're interested in getting it, but you don't want it shipped to you, and you just want to print it yourself, you're more than welcome to do so. Let's see here. So we did completed January, we completed February, and we were on March. In March, what do we want to add? We have a little bit more time. Not a lot of time, but we have a little bit more time because it only has $1. Should we do $10? Let's see. Yeah. 3. Oh, this is the wrong orange, but that's okay. 5. And we're adding 10. Yay! Okay. Fantastic progress already. So for the month of March, we have $10, $11. And hopefully, I don't know, maybe next week we'll be able to complete this one and then maybe do November because I did complete December already. So just because I do want these funds by May, I want to try to get them done as soon as I possibly can. The months are going by so very quickly, like already almost midway through March, and I'm barely getting through it. So I want to try to catch up and get some of these months done, maybe do 2 or 3 in the next couple of weeks, but we'll see. This one is a 226 and 2026 low income. It just worked out perfectly for what I needed in terms of saving. Each month is $19 except for December is $17. Oh, speaking of which, I wanted to come right off on my tracker because January is completed and February is completed, and then also December. So 3 months, I mean, that's fantastic. But I wanted this $226 to go towards my son's birthday. And their birthdays are in June, but I wanted to make sure I have a plan of what I'm going to do with the money before their birthday. All right, let's set this off to the side. Now we got Big Mama. This is the 100 envelope savings challenge, which will save you $6K plus. So depending on how you decide to save, I decided to do the sum method, which means that I am using lower amounts, which is perfectly fine for me because my budget is low income. I decided to use the total amount and do a sum method, so add the numbers together. This one is 3 digits, so 1 plus 3 plus 5, so $9. And then the ones that are 111 or 110 or something like that, I just add the 3 numbers together. So it just works for me because of my finances, the way things are with my money, honey. All right, so I decided, because I got this $2 bill from my kiddo's dad, that I wanted to put it into the savings challenge because I was originally putting $2 bills in here. And we have $12 total. Let's see what we can do really quickly. All right, so this one is $5. And that one is number 28. Okay, and I'm looking for a $2 one, and I am also looking for a $5 one, just so I don't have to figure out. This one, $2. So this one is $110, but I'm adding 1 plus 1 plus 0, making it $2. So that's why I feel like this savings challenge is actually doable for me. And these funds are actually going to Christmas. It may take me all year. If it doesn't, that's okay as well. That means I can just put the money into my savings account. All right, so number 90 is complete. All right, and we just need one more. That is $5 total. $5. Where are you at? $5. All right, $5. I do have some blank ones to work with as well, but I was trying to actually save those for when I really, really need them. So let me see. It might be one of those days today. Let's see if we can find a $5. Found a $5. 32. 3 plus 2 is 5. So I am thinking about pulling some money from my pulling some money from my account to do a cash stuffing just for my 100 binder. Trying to knock out some of these bigger numbers while I have the extra funds. I thought that would be a really a smart idea actually. All right, number 35. Ooh, look at these hearts coming along. There's plenty left to do, but that's why I was thinking if I can get some of the bigger numbers out of the way, knock some of them out, even if I'm able to just bring $100, I believe my total is $667 based on the numbers I calculated. I can't remember now. And I said I was going to write it in here, but I tend to have an idea or a plan and then I don't follow through, and that's okay. I give myself plenty of grace. I'm not perfect. I do aspire to just be happy in saving and doing these things that are fun for me. Now, this savings challenge you can find linked down below in S&C Budget Creations, and I love this one. I really, really love this one. There are some other options that we have for saving. It doesn't have to be such a big long-term savings, but that's Big Mama. She's going to be a challenge for me. I already know that, but that was part of the joy of taking on this challenge and trying to make it where it works for my budget. So let's just go over really quickly. We did our 100 envelope savings challenge, our sweets and treats savings challenge, as well as our litter bucks and our Save 226 and 2026, and of course our weekly expenses. I've got to make arrangements and get the funds where they actually need to go, but overall I think we did a wonderful job this week. Happy Sunday, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.